In this video, I will teach you how to add Zoho Mail to GoDaddy. First of all, you need to log into your account, then you need to click your profile name and go to your products. Now you need to go to the domain section and you need to find the domain where you want to add the Zoho Mail. You need to click on DNS, then you need to click this Add New Record button right here, and you need to start filling the gaps. First, you need to choose MX in the type. In the name, you need to write add. Then you need to add another value twice, and you need to start filling. In the first gap, you need to write 10. In the second one, you need to write 20. And in the third one, you need to write 50. In the value, you need to write mx.zoho.com. In the second one, you need to write mx2zoho.com. And in the third one, you need to write mx3zoho.com. And that's all. You need to click the Save button and you will add Zoho Mail to your GoDaddy website. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.